Hi everyone, it's Selina here. Today I will share with you 3 tips for eating healthy for fertility. Eating healthy at home has to start from the changes in your lifestyle. By making it a habit of eating healthy, it's easier to continue when you get pregnant at the later stage. The first tip will be follow the keto or Mediterranean diet where they focus on high protein, healthy fats, a huge amount of vegetables and low carbs. You will need to increase your intake of fish, meat, olive oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, a lot of green vegetables and low carbs food such as legumes and brown rice. Do not starve yourself at this time because that will be the last thing that you want to do. It will mess up your hormonal level. So by eating healthy, it will help in lowering down your estrogen level because high level of estrogen can lead to a lot of inflammation in your physical health. High estrogen level can also lead to blood clots, thyroid, hormonal imbalance, weight gain and feeling sluggish, and slower metabolism. So by doing light exercise, diet as well as managing emotion will help you to balance your physical and mental health. If you're having anger, it will not only add on to the stress to your liver, but also you will not be able to absorb all the healthy food efficiently. So by learning to manage your emotion well, it will help to prevent the damage to your liver, where it helps to get rid of toxins and for maintaining a healthy hormone level. The second tip will be to avoid alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking can lead to the stress in your liver and your health, so cutting them down is good because it will hugely affect the health of your babies and the success of your pregnancy. The third tip will be always pay attention to your choices that you make. You don't want to make any risks that you couldn't afford to, because the more damage you've done to your physical as well as mental health, the longer time it takes to heal. Your body will tell you what you need. If you're feeling tired, it may means you're not sleeping well or your diet is making you feeling sluggish. So these are my 3 tips for you today. I hope you get the